Hello and welcome to Linux tutorials at Learning Journal. The most convenient method to get Linux is to install it on a virtual machine. By using a VM, you can install different distros and different versions and still use your host operating system. To create a VM, you will need a virtualization software. There are several such tools available, but I prefer Oracle VirtualBox because it is free and an open source product. You can download the latest version of Oracle VirtualBox from virtualbox.org. Click this large button. I am going to install it on Windows operating system, so I choose this option. Okay, it is downloading. It may take few minutes based on your network speed. Okay, my download is complete. Just click the downloaded file and it will start the installation. Okay, just keep selecting next with default options and your installation will start. It may take a couple of minutes to complete. Okay, done. Okay, so we have our Oracle VirtualBox installed. The next step is to download a Linux distro. I am going to use CentOS 6. As you already know, CentOS is a free version of Red Hat family. You can download it from centos.org. So click on this Get CentOS Now button. I am looking for CentOS 6 and these default buttons will give me CentOS 7. So I go for this alternative downloads. Okay. So I need this 6.8 version. We want 64-bit OS. So let's click this one. Good. So these are all mirrors. You can choose any one of these. Right. We need an ISO file. So you can choose any one of these. This one is a smaller option, just 700 MB. You can even get it using a torrent file. I have already downloaded this DVD image. You can go for a DVD image, but a CD image is also good enough. So, once you have this ISO file, you are ready to move to next step. Start your Oracle VirtualBox, click New, and give a name to your machine. Make sure that you select the type as Linux and version as Red Hat 64-bit. We need to assign some memory to this VM. I have 20 GB on my host machine, so I can easily cut out 6 to 8 GB for this VM. But even if you have 4 GB, that should be enough. The next step is to create a virtual hard disk. Just select default options. Here, you can specify the disk capacity for the VM. Click Create and Done. I still want to change few more settings. I want to increase the number of CPU cores. I have an i7 quad-core CPU with hyper-threading enabled. That gives me 8 virtual CPUs. I want to give 2 CPUs to the VM. One CPU may be enough, but I just want it to have enough CPU capacity. Now, I will go to the storage and insert my Linux DVD image. This ISO image will be used to boot my machine. The next thing is network cards. By default, you will have this NAT adapter. Just keep it there. This one will allow you to get your internet connection working on the VM. But we need another network card. So let's add another one. I am selecting bridged adapter, but a host-only adapter should be good enough. If you are creating multiple VMs, the host-only adapter will allow you to create a local area network among your VMs. So that's all. I completed the VM configuration. Let's boot the machine. It's a live DVD, so your system is up and functioning. It is suitable for a quick test, but if you want to work with this system, you should install it to your disk. So let's install it to the hard drive and simply follow the on-screen instructions. We are almost there. Let me shut it down. I will go back to settings, remove the DVD image and start it again. I need to remove the DVD image because we have already installed the OS on disk and I want to boot it from the disk instead of booting from the DVD. You can create a user or you can just leave it. We anyway will have a default user named root. Done. Just log in into the machine and enjoy the power of Linux. Thank you for watching Learning Journal. Keep learning and keep growing.